Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Bank of America online banking on PC. Bank of America is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company. To log in to Bank of America online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.bankofamerica.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Bank of America. Now here you can see login box on the left side of the website. You need to first enter your user ID on the given box. Make sure you enter the correct user ID. With that, enter your correct password of your account. If you want your user ID to be remembered, then you can click on Save User ID box. Similarly, if you don't remember your user ID or password, then you can click on Forgot ID/password option. With that, if you are having trouble signing in, then you can click on the option of Security and Help. With that, if you haven't created your account, then you can click on the option of Open an account or Enroll. After entering all your credentials, click on Login option. After that, you need to go through security verification process. Now, click on the option of continue to sign in. Then here you need to go through security verification. Click on continue option. Now here you need to solve the puzzle. You need to pick the image that is correct way up. After that, your security step will be completed. Then you'll be able to log into your Bank of America's account. This is how we can log in Bank of America online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.